David.
Turn around. You know you are not supposed to do any live in front of the church. You know that, right? Turn around.
Why?
Turn around, sir.
Why?
Turn around. You are not supposed to
Why?
do any live.
Why?
Because you know you're not supposed to.
Why?
Turn around. Hey.
Why? Why?
Turn around, sir.
Hey,
Oh, no.
What's going on? What's going on?
No, hold on, sir. Back up. Turn around, sir. Talking shit in this church. You are not supposed to do any live in the church.
What's going on, sir?
You know what's going on because your boy talking a lot of shit about people from Boston. He is not supposed to do any life in front of the church. You see the church over there? That's the church
There's
of God,
no
man.
side saying anything right
It
here.
doesn't matter, man. You have to respect the name of the God, man. That's the God church, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Samy c'est dit legend.
Yo, you have the right to remain silent. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go to jail right now.
Why you put me this? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. What you put me this? Why?
Because you know.